Hi everyone, in this video I will share top 5 free web development courses with free certificates that you can take in 2025. Whether you want to become a front-end developer, full-stack developer with Stack, start freelancing by building websites or simply add coding to your skill set, these free courses are the perfect resources to learn web development in 2025. I have arranged these courses in a proper sequence starting from basics like HTML, CSS, then responsive design, JavaScript, data structures and algorithms, React.js, and then complete Stack development. So let's get started. The first free course in our list is Simply Learn's Front-End Developer course. Here is why you should take this course. You will be learning the fundamentals of front-end development including HTML, CSS and JavaScript. You will gain insights into creating responsive and interactive web designs. This course includes industry-relevant projects that will help you practice real-world coding. At the end of this course, you will receive a free certificate to showcase your skills. This course is perfect for beginners who want to master the basics of front-end development. Next, we have Free Code Camp's Responsive Web Design course. It's completely free, beginner-friendly and one of the most popular web development courses online. Here is what you will learn in this course. Fundamentals of HTML and CSS, including Flexbox and grid systems. You will learn to create beautiful, responsive websites that work on all devices. This course is hands-on, with real-world projects like building your portfolio website. Once you complete the course, you will get a free certificate, making it a great addition to your resume. The third course is also from Free Code Camp, focusing on JavaScript algorithms and data structures. If you want to master JavaScript on a deeper level, this course is perfect for you. Here is what you will learn in this course. Core JavaScript concepts like variables, loops, functions and arrays. You will be able to solve coding challenges and build algorithms to improve your problem-solving skills. Create mini projects to apply your JavaScript knowledge. This course is beginner-friendly and comes with a free certificate upon completion. It's ideal for you if you want to improve your JavaScript skills for web development. Next course on our list is Scalar Academy's free React.js course. This course is for anyone who wants to learn React, a powerful library for building dynamic web applications. Here is what you will learn in this course. Fundamentals of React.js, including components, states, and props. Build interactive user interfaces for real-world applications. You will also learn best practices for structuring your React projects. You will receive a free certificate upon completion. If you are looking to level up your front-end skills, React is a must-learn in 2025. The final course in our list is Great Learning's Stack Fundamentals. This course is ideal for you if you want to learn full-stack web development. Here is what you will learn in this free course. You will be learning fundamentals of Stack, MongoDB, Express, React and Node.js. With this course, you will be able to build full-stack applications with both front-end and back-end development. You will be able to build projects to apply your skills and create portfolio-ready applications. Upon completing this course, you will get a free certificate, making it a great resource for full-stack developers. These 5 courses are perfect for beginners and provide free certificates to help you showcase your skills in 2025. I will drop the links of all these courses in the description of this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this. Let me know in the comments which courses you are starting with, or if you have any questions, I will be happy to help. The links to all these courses are in the description, so start learning web development for free and make 2025 the year you elevate your skills. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.